In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix banner from your site using the Wix editor. If you are ready to give your website a more polished and professional look, removing the Wix banner is a key step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, distraction-free website that enhances your visitors' experience. First, let's begin by opening the Wix editor in Chrome. You might already be familiar with navigating to your website dashboards, but just in case you need a refresher, start by heading over to the Wix website. Once there, log in, and you should see your site listed on the main dashboard. Click Edit Site to open up the Wix editor. Using Chrome as your browser ensures optimal performance as Wix has been optimized for it, minimizing any hiccups or delays. Once you're all set with the Wix editor, take a moment to preview your site. As you scroll through, towards the bottom of your site, you'll notice the Wix banner. Now, this banner usually appears on sites under the free plan. While it helps illustrate you're using a trusted site building platform, it might not be what you want your visitors to focus on. Next, place your pointer over the Wix banner. At this point, you should see a few options pop up, including an option labeled Delete. If you choose this, you'll have temporarily removed the banner, which is great for ongoing editing. However, do keep in mind that simply deleting the banner in the editor view doesn't remove it permanently. For a lasting solution, an upgrade to a premium plan is required. Deciding to upgrade your plan not only removes the Wix banner for good, but it also comes with additional benefits such as connecting your own domain and access to more storage and bandwidth. If you decide to go this route, you'll be guided through the upgrade process that fits your needs. Whether you've removed the banner for editing purposes or permanently upgraded your plan, your final task is to save your work. Find the Save button at the top right of the screen to ensure your changes are not lost. Once saved, click on Publish. This action updates your live site, allowing your visitors to see these tidy improvements immediately. Keeping your site updated with these changes ensures you present the most polished version to your audience. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through removing the Wix banner from your site. By following these simple steps, your website is now more professional and user-friendly. Remember, a clean website not only provides a better visitor experience, but also enhances your brand's credibility. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful guides and have a great day enhancing your website.